Today we discuss properties of logarithms, and the first thing that we are going to discuss is that change of base formula. Okay? Your calculator has log base e, the natural log, and your calculator has log base 10, and that's it. So, how do you evaluate log base 5, log base 2, log base 20? Okay, Gabe, do you remember?
You do log base 10 of something or log base 10 of the other thing, and it gives you the answer, but I don't remember the
Okay. Yeah.
Like log of the, you divide them by each other. You divide something with the log and then you get the answer so like this. And you go down to the exact like the log of that. Like log base 10 of that.
Okay, we all have the right idea.
Log base 10 of whatever you're taking your other log of divided by log base 10 of whatever your log is.
Okay.
Whatever your
You all can like see it in your head, right? What is it? Okay, it actually doesn't even matter what base it is, but since our calculators have base 10 or base e, we're going to use these here. You're going to take log of what's in the logarithm divided by log of the base. Okay, these two are the two that I would write down. Okay, it doesn't actually matter which base you do this in, but our calculators have base 10 and base e, so that's what we're going to use. So get out your calculator so we can practice. What? Log base e versus log base 10? Yeah, it doesn't matter which one you do. Okay? As long as you are consistent, you should be fine. So, first, with your calculator, I want you to evaluate log base 4 of 25. So you're going to take log of 25 divided by log of 4. Okay, the number inside, it's usually the bigger print number. The base is the superscript, or the subscript, okay? The base is always what goes in the denominator one. And what do we get? Sorry?
2.
Give me 3 decimal places.
2.
Are you getting that? No?
You gotta close your parentheses.
Yes, you do. Well, log 25 divided by log 4. Anytime you press the log button, it's going to open a parentheses. Make sure you close it before you press the division sign. All right, you get it that time? Perfect. All right, try this one. Log base 2 of 12. Then what'd you get?
3.58.
Give me one more decimal place. Are you getting 3.584? Henry?
I got 4 to 5. Nice try.
I will forgive you, Finn. Probably wouldn't make a big deal about it on a quiz or test.
I don't think so.
Okay, so we remember how to use our calculator. That will be on the calculator portion of our quiz on Friday. Okay? Now, here's the deal. This seems like a very easy thing to do, right? Use your calculator. Practice it so you don't forget it. Because every single year we get to the quiz and somebody forgets how to put it in their calculator. It's not that hard, but you have to practice it. Otherwise, it doesn't stick. Okay? Go to lunch, and when we get back, we'll talk about properties. We are going to briefly go through the properties of logarithms, and then you and your pod are going to work on problems together for examples. Okay? So let's write these down. It is possible for us to take a logarithm and expand it, or take an expansion and condense it down to one logarithm. Let's remember those rules. Okay? If there is addition if there is multiplication inside of our logarithm, aka the product property, if there's multiplication inside of our logarithm, we can split up our logarithms by addition. If we have multiplication inside, we can split up our logarithms by using addition. Bless you. If there is division inside of our logarithms, then we can break our logarithms apart by using subtraction. Oh, whoops, sorry. Don't feel like you have to write both of those down. Just understand that these work for any base of logarithm. Okay, whether it's log base A or log base E. So if there's multiplication inside of our logarithm, we can break it apart using addition. If there's division, then we can use subtraction. The last property is called the power property, where if there is a power inside of our logarithm, we can take it out and multiply it in the front. Okay, so those of you watching at home, reference your gold sheet for your homework.